A whole of police chief a pass and I find them down when I want to understand. If the police them respond, them there for protect and serve, and them say somebody find them down and must something.
Electrician held as cops seized over 10 million worth of drugs. A man was reportedly swept away by flood waters into a gully. Man accused of stabbing ex-lover 30 times returns to court December. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. The narcotics detectives supported by the St. Catherine South Police carried out an anti-narcotics operation and arrested and charged 36-year-old Andrew Walcott, electrician of Clarkstown, Manchester at West Street Cottage Complex, Old Harbour in St. Catherine on Friday, November 17. Reports are that a Nissan Titan motor car was intercepted during an operation and 2 regular parcels containing cocaine and $10,000 was found. The vehicle, cash and drugs were seized and the driver was taken into custody. The driver of the vehicle was subsequently charged. Walcott has been charged with possession of cocaine, dealing in cocaine, trafficking cocaine, and possession of criminal property. The weight of the drugs is approximately 2 kilograms. The drugs has a street value of $68,000. His court date is being finalized. A man was reportedly swept away by flood waters after falling into a gully on Collie Smith Drive in the vicinity of First Street in St. Andrew on Friday night. Miss Dar, the operator of a shop that sells chicken and chips, chicken neck, and chicken back, stated that she sold him some items after 8 that night and he told her he was heading back home. The man, whom she said was with a little boy when he came by, is one of her regular customers. Miss Dar said thankfully the little boy did not fall into the gully with him. According to Miss Dar, the man has not yet been found. Nalia Dennis will have to wait until next month for the continuation of the court case against an ex-lover who allegedly stabbed her more than 30 times and left her to die. It has been a long wait for Dennis, who spent months after the attack fearful that Kirk Griffiths would return and kill her.